Hello, my name is Ashwar Gill. I'm a talk. I'm a talk a bit about Indian mathematics. India come up with a new mathematical term called zero. It has been used before in other places, but more like an empty placeholder. India now started to use it for seriously, and when they had 10 numbers between 0 and 9, they could make lot of numbers efficiently. Nobody know how they came up with this zero, but there is some things that we think they come up with from how they come up with this. For example, they calculated with stones in the sand. When they took away a stone from the calculation, they got a hole. Or maybe it's just a cultural reason, because the religions of India is based on nothingness and eternity. In the religions of India, the whole universe is built up from nothingness. They call the new mathematical term Shunya, zero. Brahmagupta showed us how it can be used. 1 plus 0 equals 1, easy. 1 minus 0 equals 1, easy. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 divided by 0 is harder, you don't know. But Paskara the second came up with a solution. If you have a fruit, you divide it by 2, you get 2 pieces. 3 pieces. 4 pieces. But they wanted to divide it by 0. It was harder. Then they came up with something 1 divided by 0 is equal to eternity. But India got further into the calculations with 2 of 2 equals 0. But 3 of 2 equals minus 1. It was a whole new mathematical term, a whole new. It was really new. It also came up with trigonometry. You can use the angle and find the opposite side to the longest side. The sine function is used to calculate differences when you can't do accurate measurement. We use it for architects and engineers. Indians use it to survey the landscape and navigate themselves in the seas. And also Indians use this calculation to the distances between the moon and the earth. When they had done that, they could also calculate the differences between the moon and the sun to the earth. But to make this calculation, it had to be half moon, because then it's done when the moon and the sun is opposite to each other. And Indians also try to make up this to work on every angle. That's my story, guys, about Indian mathematics. Not a story, it's facts about Indian mathematics. Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, YouTube. Goodbye.